Bienvenidos a Spanish GTK. This is the Q&A video for the lesson number 2. Let's start with today's question. I understand that mi nombre es and yo soy use the verb ser, but what does me llamo mean? Hola, yo me llamo Javier, soy español y vivo en Madrid. ¿Y yo cómo me llamo? Tú te llamas Abraham Lincoln. ¿Y cómo se llama él? Él se llama Alberto una piedra. Ich bin Albert Einstein. Vosotros os llamáis Alberto y Abraham. Nosotros nos llamamos Alberto, Abraham y Javier. Ellos se llaman Javier, Alberto y Abraham, y yo también me llamo Abraham. This was the conjugation of the verb llamarse. Llamarse is not a reflexive verb because you don't call to yourself. In this case, other people call you. However, we build it exactly like a reflexive verb, and still you use the same reflexive pronouns. A verb is reflexive when the action falls in yourself. Yo peino a mi hermana, here the action of combing falls into my sister, but me peino, the action of combing falls in myself. Hence, peinar and peinarse are different verbs, and while one is reflexive, the other isn't. Let's divide this in pieces for a better understanding. Llamarse. This is the infinitive verb, the original verb. Se llamar. In this case, the reflexive pronoun is now before the verb. The verb is now like a regular verb that finishes in ar, like hablar. Now we conjugate it. Me llamo, te llamas, se llama, nos llamamos, os llamáis, se llaman. We declinate both reflexive pronoun and verb, depending on the person. We can use these personal pronouns or not. Here you have the structure, so pay attention and take a look. Now you know the reflexive pronouns, and you can now conjugate reflexive verbs like ducharse or bañarse, to take a shower or a bath, peinarse, to comb yourself, vestirse, to dress yourself. We will see others in the future, but I hope this helps you to start on the right foot. Let's practice now with some regular verbs with the R ending. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and learn with the Spanish GTK. Ducharse. Now is your turn, please conjugate it. Bañarse. Peinarse. Maquillarse. After this, you will find the solution. here you have the solution. This is Spanish GTK. Thanks for watching.